Finally, shinare na ni Janine Gutierrez ang kanyang pinagbibisihan lately. 6 months of filming, 53 shooting days, hundreds of kilometers, hours, people, sequences, cups of Sarap Now coffee, one amazing team. I'm so grateful to be part of this project and I can't wait to see it and share it. I've always expressed how lucky I feel to be part of this, and I just am so thankful for every single person of this set. This shoot was my constant through 3 losses in my family, and I'm just so happy that this is the set I keep coming back to through it all. Thank you to the cast and crew and staff that I can't tag yet for this giant adventure. See you soon and share it with you all soon. Aba, very interesting naman itong sinut nila Janine na ito, kaya abangan na lang natin. Kaya keep on watching till the end.
Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Sorry. Hindi mo na maabot na!
Toilet. Portalet on the move. Go lang.